Hello, in front of me I've got Doogee V Max and Samsung Smart TV. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi and then enter YouTube. Press the screencast button located on the top of the screen and select your TV. Now, when both devices are connected, you can play any music you want on your smartphone and it will be displayed on the TV. If you want to cancel the connection, again press this button and select disconnect. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.